To my viewers, today's topic is about quadratic equation. This maths is intended for grade 9. Now the question is, write the following quadratic equation in standard form. So I have here the standard form of quadratic. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then identify the values of a, b, and c. So take note, a, b, and c are real numbers. So I have here number 1, 2x squared minus 5x is equal to negative 3. So I need to write in the standard form. So to write the standard form, 2x squared minus 5x, then I need to transpose at the left side. So this will be plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is now my standard form in number 1. So this will be 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, I should identify the numerical coefficient of x squared, which is a, 2. Then, my coefficient of x is negative 5. Then, c is 3. So, that's for number 1. Now, let's proceed to number 2. So, number 2, negative 3x squared. Then, I need to solve the difference of 6 and 2. So this will be equal to 4. So to write in the standard form of quadratic, so this will be negative 3x squared. This 4 will be transposed at the left side, so this will be minus, is equal to 0. Since my first term is having a negative sign, so I need to multiply this one by negative 1 both sides. So this will be 3x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. So my equation for number 2 is 3x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. Now my numerical coefficient of x squared is 3. How about b? There is no b because there is no x in here, so this will be 0. And how about c? C is positive 4. Then for number 3, I have here 10x minus 1 is equal to 3x squared. So 3x squared will remain at the right side, and this 10x minus 1 will be transposed at the right side. So this will be 3x squared transpose minus 10. Take note, if we transpose the term at the left side going to the right, so the sign must be changed. So this is positive and then become to negative. So this negative 1 will be positive 1 and then equate to 0. So this will be 3x squared minus 10x then plus 1 is equal to 0. So my a for this quadratic equation is positive 3. And then my b is negative 10. And then for my c, this will be equal to 1. Now let's proceed to number 4. Number 4 equation is 17 plus 17x minus 5x squared. So this will be, I think this will be equal, sorry. This is equal. So to write this one in the standard form of quadratic equation, so this will be 5x squared. This 17 plus 7x will transpose at the right side. So this will be, since this is positive, so this will change to negative 7x. This is positive, so change the sign because I need to transpose 17 to the right. So this will be minus 17 and then equate to 0. So I have here 5x squared minus 7x minus 17 is equal to 0. Now, the coefficient for number 4, let a for x squared, this will be 5. And then for b is negative 7. for C is negative 17. Then for the last number 5, last number. So I have here 2x, round brackets, x minus 17 is equal to 15. So I need to distribute. So this will be 2x squared. Then minus 34x is equal to 15. So this will be 2x squared minus 34x. This one will transpose at the left side. So this will be negative 15 and then equate to 0. So I have here for number 5, my quadratic equation is 2x squared minus 34x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now taking the numerical coefficients of x squared, x, and the constant. So this will be for A will be 2. And then for B is negative 34. And then for constant, that will be negative 15. So that's all for this topic.